Now, let's look at variables and data types. Variables are used to store information that can be referenced and manipulated in your program. Python has several data types including integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Integer, my underscore int 10. Print my underscore int float. My underscore float 10.5. Print my underscore float. String. My underscore string hello Python. Print my underscore string. Boolean. My underscore bool true. Print my underscore bool. In this code, we declare four variables my underscore int, my underscore float, my underscore string, and my underscore bool, each holding different types of data. The print function then displays their values. Next, let's explore basic arithmetic operations. Python can perform all standard arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. A 10. B5. Addition. Print AB. Subtraction. Print AB. Multiplication. Print AB. Division. Print AB. This code performs arithmetic operations between A and B and prints the results. Notice how simple and intuitive the syntax is. Now, let's talk about conditional statements. These are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. The if, elif, and else statements are commonly used for this. x10, y20. If xy. Print x is less than y. Elif xy. Job. Print x is greater than y. Else. Print x is equal to y. Here, the program checks if x is less than, greater than, or equal to y, and prints a corresponding message. Indentation is crucial in Python, as it defines the scope of conditional statements and loops. Finally, let's look at loops. Loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times. Python provides for and while loops for this purpose. For loop. For I in range 5. Print I. While loop. Count 0. While count 5. Print count. Count 1. The for loop iterates over a sequence, in this case, the range of numbers from 0 to 4. The while loop repeats as long as the condition count 5 is true, incrementing count each time. That's a wrap on our introduction to Python. Today, we've covered basic syntax, variables, data types, arithmetic operations, conditional statements, and loops. With these fundamentals, you're ready to start exploring more complex Python programs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tutorials.